this video, we're going to be talking about how to reset associated bank password or user ID. So let's just get straight into the video, shall we? First things first, simply go ahead and open your associated bank application and let it load for a second. Once you've opened your application, all you need to really do is, if you forgot your user ID, click on forgot username, and then you'll have to enter some credentials like your social security number, your bank account number, and when you enter that, they're going to send you a verification code to the mobile number that is associated with your bank account. And when you enter that verification code, they'll let you go ahead and change your username. If you forgot your password, it's the same thing as well. You can simply click on forgot password, and then it will ask you a couple of details. So let me just go ahead and show it to you. Enter your username, click on next, and then they'll send you a verification code to the email that is associated with that username, and simply go ahead and enter that into the application and you will be able to change your password. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarified everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.